I'm going to share something with you that I really hope improves your trading and that you can find some value in, because it has surely improved my trading, especially last year when I really started focusing on this. So I'm really, really hoping that this is really going to take your trade to the next level. But trust me, after that level, there's another level, another level, another level. Hey guys, Carlos here with Variable Traders, and we're going to keep this one nice, short, and quick, but I want to share something with you that I really hope is going to take your trading to the next level. In trading, the number one thing for me has become risk management. Is risk management and then everything else right below that. And very close, but right below that. That is the number one thing that I focus on. And the reason for this is we are dealing in an environment where we are putting ourselves at risk. You know, the risk is extremely high than any other career that you are doing or any other venture that you're doing. When it comes to trading, the risks are very high. So our job is to become the best risk managers possible so that we can make money out of these risky environment. And what do I mean by that? For example, many traders that have the experience, that know the technicals, that have been trading for a while, that can spy a strategy, that can trade it very well, that can execute it. But at their bottom line, when they look at their account, they look at their equity, they're not profitable. They're not meeting certain goals. In trading, the numbers does not lie. At the end of the day, you get your scorecard every single day. At the end of the week, here's your scorecard. At the end of the month, here's your scorecard, and so forth. If you are doing everything else properly and you're still not making money, you have to find what's not clicking. And for me, that was risk management. My risk management was completely out of whack. I was holding on to losers for too long. I was taking too much of a big size on trades that were gut type field trades, like this one on Baba today. Baba today, there's no strategy here as far as a strong edge. My entry today on Baba was clearly a gut feeling that this stock is going to squeeze based on everything that has been happening over the last couple of days, right? The hype on Baba has been pretty high at the moment. All these Chinese stocks are definitely trending at the moment. Analyst ratings are up for a target of 200%. So if you're not looking at the hype and you're looking at the reports, you also like what you see there. We got up this morning pretty big and sold off the entire pre-market, right? So some people already took profits out very early on. All these things gave me the gut feeling that we might be in for a squeeze here after maybe a short and quick sell-off. And that is exactly what happened. Now, here's the thing. Since that is not one of my strategies that has a strong edge, right? Like an open range breakout on the 5-minute, like a breakout of a pre-market level or a daily level or a high of day, you have to manage your risk accordingly. You have to even take even less shares. You got to put on even less risk because you know this is a gut feeling type trade. Now, some traders will say, well, you should never trade from your gut. And I agree. Your personality might not fit you trading from a gut feeling. Sometimes I want to take trades that do not look in the best light as far as technicals. And I need to have that flexibility as a trader. Andrew quoted this before, and I think he quoted it from somebody else from a meeting he went to. He said, you have to fit trading into your life, not your life into trading. That's very important, guys. You have to do that. So you also have to fit your personality in the style you trade. You know, don't force something on you that's not working. If you're doing that, you're going to have a hard time. There's some deep-rooted issues in our minds as traders that might not change. You might have a very difficult time changing the way you are as a person. So instead, look at the way you are and see what can you change in your trading, your strategy that can better fit the way you are built, right? That is another approach as well. So keep that in mind. That for me has been an incredible improvement that has gotten me to the next level. And as you guys know, there's never one level. You're never going to reach the goal you want to get to. That goal is always moving. We're just constantly improving and moving forward. So keep that in mind. There's going to be something else that we got to work on next and as we move forward in this amazing career. So with that, I kind of reviewed already the reason why I got into this trade on Baba, right? It was just everything else that has been leading up to this point that gave me the gut feeling this could be a nice squeeze. And no, I think nobody was expecting that type of squeeze. Megan has said when we were sitting at 119 that this might go to 122, 120 because of the book map she was seeing on her end. So that was nice because I did not partial on 119 because she said that. So thank you, Megan. We hold on a little bit longer just for that. If not, 119 right there, I would have been parceling out. Guys, so hopefully this was helpful and you're able to implement and have a positive impact in your trading. But again, look at those things that you're having a very difficult time with. And maybe instead of forcing the strategy, maybe change the strategy and see if you can fit into a better situation when it comes to your trading, guys. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.